Okay. Finish this off. Why does this feel so large? What the what now? And the skibbity toilet is this. Okay. Jumpity jump, 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 jumpity jump, 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 jump. That's getting me dizzy. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and up. Yee! So I see you, Royal Lucky Block, and I'm coming for you. Lucky Block, lucky. Take the K away out of lucky. Take the C away out of lucky. What do you get? Lakey. Take the L away from block. And that would be Bach. Bach, bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. Bach. Okay. Here's that. You're chicken. Yeah, who now? A yin yang. Why do we have 3 blue lucky blocks? Why? Lucky. Bop, 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 bop. Yeah, you tell him. You tell him, Goose. Yeah, you bark. It's Rose! Really? That was the same thing all along. We're gonna say that for later. I can always purchase the first pack, but I can never purchase the second pack or the third pack. Oh no. What have I done? No! I want Goose. I want Goose. I want a Goose. I said I want Goose. I said I want Goose. Goose, please. Goose. I know Goose. Whoa! Jeez. Well, that's insane. You told me that before. Wow, 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 wow. Chicken farm! Chicken! 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 Chicken farm! Chicken! Okay. No. 1x45. Oh, we're almost at the Goose. We're almost at Goose. We're at 2.59 million. I mean billion. Yeah, million. We need your help. No. $2.62 million chickens. Okay. Gotta really focus. Movie bloopers. Kinda got movie. I got the word movie bloopers out of something else. We're at 40 billion. Night night. Ooh. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Oh, it's finally morning. Yeah. Okay. Sweet. Sweet. Snowman. I'm a snowman. Only 3 types? Wow. Not easy. Okay. Collect the money. $92, $94, $97, 9. 120 with 1 dummy. Yeah. $7 trillion. Yeah, that's gonna be later. Why is it glitching out so much? To fit all of it, the graphics have to become more bad and bad and bad and bad and bad. And I won't be able to see it. I collect everything. Or that's like strictly impossible. Okay, I just got ready. I have the 0.1 multiplier in there. What the heck? Wait. I want a cactus. I want the cactus. Oh. Really? Okay. 12 minutes left. Okay, and okay, what am I gonna do? Wait. We need that. One more to make a... I know what I gotta do. Everyone, step aside. Iron Man. Go! 2 skeletons. Yeah, skeleton. Doughy. Dough. He's a dough man. He made a dough. He's a dough man. He's made of dough. He's doughy. He's squishy. He's sticky. He's silly. D-O-E-Y. But yeah, that video is up on my channel if you want to see that. It's called Power Python Chapter 4. Now I also have Chapter 1, Chapter 2, and Chapter 3. And then I'll upload 5 in about 3 weeks. Okay. Multiplier dropped. That's still an insanely good number. It's still an insanely good number. 1x 60. Yeah, times that by hold on. 10, that would be 70 billion. 100, that would be. And times that by 1,000, and then it will be what we have. And then we'll have what we need. Hey, wait a minute, wait. Oh yeah, kind of like times that by 1,000. That needs to be times by 1,000 to be able to get Pat. Times by 10. Jeez, so many chickens. Oh, that's so good that there's 1% more that I need. Can't get to it though. I feel so good in my lungs. $1.5x. Delicious meal of my life. That was the most delicious meal of my life. And I'm not by 14, then we'll have it. Okay, hold on. 600 times 2. 1.2 trillion. Whichever one comes first. Either this one or a lucky block. But I doubt a lucky block can come before it. I doubt. I just doubt it. You need a lot of money. Oh, we have 10.7 billion. Of course, that's 30 billion. Jeez. Oh. guys, I guess we're unlocking the lucky block first. Makita! My shutter. Me. 1.02 trillion? What? 1.03 trillion? How about this? Eight. 9. 10. 11. 12. 24x billion. Only 1.17 billion, we need 1.92 billion. Well, I might want to sleep again, I don't know. Four-minute warning. In front of 1 billion. And it's a 3-minute warning. You might be asking, for what? What do you mean a 3-minute warning? For what? Well, the video. We're only gonna do 3 more minutes. Will we unlock the lucky block? Or will we never see what the lucky block has? Well, I'm always gonna do a part 3, which that'll only be a 30-minute one, but it's fine. We might see what it is. We may not. 2-minute warning. You know what? I'll push it and give an extra 2 minutes. 4-minute warning. Okay. We have 1 point. Wait, where's the camera? Okay, you see right there? We have 89. We have 100 billion. And then it just dropped. Okay. Okay, then this 1.75 billion, 1.8 billion. Come on. We're almost there. Just 0.5 more. 0.4 more. 0.3 more. 0.2 more. 0.1 more. Gimme the chicken. No way. Well, guys, I guess we're gonna end it at 22 minutes. See you in the next one. Bye.